Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to customize Horizon theme and I will show you a simple part how to add headings and text in Horizon theme. By the way, if you need any design related help in Shopify, you can DM me. I will drop my everything in my description box. So please check the description box and contact me as soon as possible. So we navigate to here and you can see add sections. We have to click on add section and then we can't see anything like text or images or headings or anything. So we need to click on custom sections, and from custom section you can see add block. We navigate to add block and now you can see buttons, headings, icons, image. As we take headings, so we click on headings, then you can see a headings, so we can write a reason, and you can see fill, then you can align it center, and if you change the color, so you have to click on custom section and then you have to click on color scheme, and if we choose color scheme it will be white. So that's all for today. If you need any design related help, you can check my description box. So if you need design related help, you can just subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.